Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Hinge dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hinge dating app on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page, from which you will see the create account as well as the sign in button. Now if you don't have an account already, you can tap on create account. Otherwise, tap on the sign in button to log in. You can now use your Google account or your phone number. If you created your account using your Google, you can tap on sign in with Google and proceed forward with your Google account to log in. Otherwise, tap on the second option and you will now be asked to enter your phone number. Type in your phone number and tap on the right arrow button at the bottom right corner. And now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and you will find this code that you can enter within the given stream. And after you enter your code and proceed forward, you will be logged into your Hinge account right away. And now you can directly start matching with various different profiles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Hinge dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.